Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can play the retro games on your iPhone. So you need the help from the application called Data Emulator, and how you can get them. Just open your app library and then you just need to tap into the search button here, the App Store. Right there, go click the App Store until the App Store is open. Wait until it's open. Now we just need to tap into the search button there, and then we just need to type DERLTA emulator, and then you just need to tap on it. Now there will be like a lot of emulator applications pop up on those your screen. Now you just need to pick the purple one with this type of icon, and you just need to tap into the get here to download this application and install it on your phone. You can check also what inside of this application for the brief explanation of this application is gonna used later on. Now after you understand, you just need to get this application and wait until it's perfectly installed, and then you will got the access to play the retro game with your iPhone. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.